Hello.
That was awkward. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Hello. Uh, are we using this?
Cut. Okay.
We don't know how to start videos.
Who's gonna start? Just
You are
who's
Pedro.
gonna?
You are.
Okay. All right. Just tell me when.
When?
When? Now?
Now, go.
What's
Okay.
I mean,
We're totally gonna use this.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, One More Block community. I am Bionic Nacho here with Ice Cubes and Luke. Semesto is also in the team, but he couldn't join us
Semester
today.
decided to ditch us. Anyway.
Yes. So if you go ahead and start it.
Design. Here we go. And it should load. There we go. Oh. Okay. I'm sure you guys recognize this.
Yeah.
So this is kind of the grid, right? And
Yeah. So right now what we have is just pretty much the basics, which is you can place blocks, you can delete them, you can spawn. I mean, you can play test your levels.
here, should I show that? Here, if I make a
Yeah.
if I make a quick level, and do you say that? And then I'll make this spawn. So come over here. I can click this, and this opens, and I can choose different things, and then spawn block. And I'm gonna click play. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. And right now we only have a little capsule as the character, but soon, very soon, we're going to be placing this with a much advanced character system that we've...
Do we plan on having hanging or stuff like that? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, and I can fall off the level. And here I am again.
Share.
And you could see that lives has gone down to 2.
Yep. Fully functional. And then if you like lose all your lives, you do have a game over screen where you can't continue.
If I add,
you can also
flag.
Yeah, you can also add a finished flag, and you can actually finish the level.
And you can pause too. Bugs everywhere.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Well, it's an alpha build, so
yeah, it's an alpha, so
bugs.
you can't really trust that. And I can go back to design by clicking this. So something that we've recently added, hopefully to make us different. If I click, will it work? Nope. Does not work. I understand.
Click on the selector.
Yeah, I have to click on this, right? Okay, so if I click on that, so if I don't have anything selected, and I delete, I also can't delete finish flag, so that's another bug. Oh, there we go. If I click on this block, you can see this inspector comes up, and this is gonna be full with tons of stuff, but currently it's not. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna make.
Yeah, we just recently started working on the inspector.
Like a couple days ago. Anyway, so I'm gonna turn collision off with this, and then I'm probably gonna place. Here, I'll place another block and make collision off. So if I just go to props, does props work?
No, just blocks.
Just blocks right now. Okay. If I go get a crate and I place it right there, and then I go use the normal selector.
Put it somewhere that there's not a block under it, so that they can see that you.
Yeah, I already have that. Anyway, so this is if I click like this, so there. Now that's off. That's another bug. Anyway, so if we click play, this should work. That's still selected. That's a bug, but I can fall through this block that I deselected, like that. So I can't. I basically go through it without colliding.
Yeah, the collision is off.
And then there's this block, which is red, but it's the box. Oh yeah. So if I go and fix this, an issue with that, I believe. If we go back.
I think you need.
There we go. There we go. I'm inside.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. There's an issue with the display and the inspector displaying the wrong thing for a given block.
Yeah. As I said, we've only been working on the inspector for like 2 days, so
you can't do too much. What about you, Ice? What do you have to say right now for the character and how you think things are gonna work out with models?
Oh boy, there's a lot to it, and Oh, we do have props.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have a couple
You
props.
don't
know
have
that.
this yet, but we do.
Yeah, I don't have this version of
We're
the game
awesome.
yet.
Yeah, so we have two
Um,
props, which are obviously ours. We totally created both of these, and yeah, our modeler Ice Cubes has been working very, very hard to make both of these models for us. So I'm bad at lying. Anyway, Semesto's actually our graphics person, so he's gonna be working on
yeah, but he couldn't join us right now.
He couldn't join us, unfortunately, but he's going to be working on basically anything that's visual, so the inspector, the GUI, block texture, stuff like that. Ice Cubes is going to help
And,
with that.
Talking about the GUI, right now everything looks kind of familiar to you guys.
Yeah.
But soon it will all change and we'll have our own look to it. It's just because we needed to have a base to build the game.
And these
on.
arrows actually work. I'm not sure like why anybody would ever use these arrows, but
Yeah.
but just
there.
oh, there's a key feature we're forgetting that we included.
What? Oh, I think I know what it is. Yep. I know what it is. Yeah.
You no longer need.
So you don't need the grid to build.
There's still.
You can actually.
Yeah.
There's bugs with this,
Yeah,
but
green. It's showing the green.
you can basically build like if you were building in Minecraft. When you click, it bases where the block is going to be, depending on what block you click on.
Found another bug, but we can work on that later.
Whatever. It's filled with bugs.
So yeah, so you can build in all 3 dimensions instead of with the grid, in which you can only build in 2 dimensions, like this. So that's a cool feature. We've added a basic saving mechanism. So if I call this game Aludra Dev number 1. Whoopsie.
Yeah. No, what did you do?
Nothing. And then I can
Save
just
it.
save that, and then that's saved. So now I can click new document and start making other things. And then if I want to load, I can press 3, I think it is right now. And then we have Aludra and Aludra Dev 1. So if I click Aludra Dev 1, boom, it loads up for me. And then if I also press Aludra, which is something I made another day, it will load that for me. So now that's loaded right there.
Yeah, so saving is working fine. So a lot of stuff is actually working pretty well, I'd say.
Yeah. So Project Imagine is coming along.
Yep. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on what Project Imagine was, and so that
what we're doing, kind of. So hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully you can we can get some updates soon. More stuff. Inspector is gonna have a ton of stuff, such as like texture, editing and light emission, and something similar to triggers or whatever. Anyway, so yeah, so that's the idea, and hopefully we can post some more updates later.
Yep.
Follow us on follow us on YouTube, and subscribe to us on Twitter. If you
at Mystified. Oh, we haven't told them.
No.
We're little companies. We have a kind of like a company type thing.
Mystified Studios.
Yeah. MystifiedStudios.com.
Not ironic at all that that when you spell it out in shorthand, it's mist. But,
I know. Whatever.
Whatever. Nobody will notice that. MYST.
Oh, Luke, you think we should tell them about a console, or just leave them wondering about what that is?
What console?
I don't know. Okay, so that about wraps it up for this video. So thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, and hope you enjoyed. See ya.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.